Imagine living anywhere you want, not in a house, not even in a van, but in this futuristic three-wheel camper that looks like it just rolled out of a sci-fi movie. Sleek, compact, and brilliantly designed, this is not just a bike, not just a camper, it's your home on wheels, perfectly blending freedom, design, and innovation. Take a closer look at this stunning creation. The exterior shines with a smooth metallic silver finish, giving it a spaceship-like appearance. Its aerodynamic, teardrop-shaped body helps it cut through the air effortlessly, improving both balance and fuel efficiency. The front is built on a motorcycle frame, offering the agility and speed of a motorbike, while the rear structure transforms into a small, functional living capsule. It's the perfect mix between mobility and comfort, something ideal for solo travelers, minimalists, or digital nomads looking to live off the grid. On the outside, you'll notice a curved panoramic window at the front, allowing a wide and clear view of the road. The window design doesn't just look good, it lets in plenty of natural light, making the small interior feel much larger and open. The circular door adds to the futuristic style while maintaining easy access. Even the tires are designed for durability and stability, perfect for long road trips or camping adventures. Now, let's step inside. The interior of this three-wheel camper is surprisingly well equipped. Despite its small size, the designers have made brilliant use of every inch. The main section features a cozy wooden interior with warm tones that instantly make you feel at home. The craftsmanship is impressive, from the smooth wooden panels to the hidden storage compartments, everything feels clean and purposeful. On one side, you'll find a compact kitchenette setup. It includes a small sink, a portable stove, and space for essentials like utensils and a mini fridge. Above that, built-in cabinets provide storage for food or supplies, cleverly designed to prevent movement while traveling. Right beside the kitchenette, there's a tiny foldable table, ideal for working on a laptop, eating meals, or simply enjoying a morning coffee while surrounded by nature. The opposite side serves as the living and sleeping area. It can easily transform from a seat into a single bed, offering just enough room for one person to stretch out comfortably. The cushions are made from soft, durable material, perfect for a good night's sleep after a long ride. LED lighting lines the ceiling, providing soft illumination that gives the whole space a cozy, relaxing glow during the night. Some models even feature a small TV or monitor mounted above the window, making it possible to enjoy entertainment on the go. USB charging ports and battery-powered outlets are integrated into the wall, keeping your devices charged even in remote locations. There's also a ventilation fan built discreetly into the roof to keep air flowing and prevent condensation, a thoughtful touch for such a small living space. This compact mobile home is designed with sustainability and independence in mind. Many versions come equipped with solar panels mounted on top, allowing you to power lights and small appliances completely off-grid. The battery system can also charge while you ride, storing enough power to last you through the night. With energy-efficient systems and minimalist design, this camper offers true eco-friendly freedom. But what really makes it special is how easy it is to travel. Unlike large RVs or trailers that need big parking spaces and consume heavy fuel, this lightweight three-wheel camper can go almost anywhere. Forest paths, coastal roads, or even narrow city streets, it handles them all with ease. The single front wheel offers the balance and control of a motorcycle, while the two rear wheels provide the stability of a car, making it safe and steady even at moderate speeds. Just imagine waking up in the middle of a forest, surrounded by fresh air and birdsong. You open the door, step outside, and your home is already with you, no need for hotel rooms or tents. You can cook breakfast, enjoy a cup of tea, and hit the road again within minutes. It's a dream come true for adventure seekers and solo explorers. The aerodynamic design isn't just for looks. It reduces drag, increases efficiency, and improves handling, especially on long rides. The curved metallic shell also provides protection from the weather, keeping you warm in cold climates and cool during hot summer days. It's a mobile capsule designed to keep you safe and comfortable no matter where your journey takes you. Many enthusiasts call it the egg camper because of its smooth, oval shape. But make no mistake, inside this little pod lies smart engineering and incredible design philosophy. Every curve, every surface serves a purpose. From its energy efficiency to its compact form, it represents the future of minimalist travel. And what's even more exciting is the affordability compared to traditional campers or RVs. It costs just a fraction of what a motorhome would, yet provides nearly all the basic living essentials. No rent, no mortgage, no bills, just the open road and endless freedom. In the back section, you can store a backpack, clothes, or even a small foldable chair. There's enough space for essential gear like a sleeping bag, solar lights, and portable tools. The structure is built with lightweight materials, ensuring the entire camper stays within the safe towing and driving limits of a three-wheel setup. The frame is reinforced with metal supports, ensuring durability even on bumpy terrain. For safety, the camper features reflective surfaces and LED tail lights, ensuring visibility during nighttime travel. The balance between futuristic design and practicality is truly impressive. Whether you're parked under the stars or cruising through city streets, it never fails to turn heads. This three-wheel camper isn't just transportation, it's a lifestyle revolution. It symbolizes independence, simplicity, and the beauty of living with less but experiencing more. It's for those who want to escape routine, explore the world, and take their home wherever they go. From students on a budget to retired adventurers, this is the kind of innovation that gives everyone a chance to live freely. Just picture it: sunset views through the large window, the soft wooden glow of the interior, gentle music playing in the background, and you sitting comfortably inside, far away from the noise of the world. That's what this camper promises, not just mobility, but peace of mind. As technology improves, we'll likely see even smarter versions with electric power, built-in Wi-Fi, GPS tracking, and self-sustaining systems. But even now, this compact creation proves that the future of living doesn't have to be big, it just has to be smart. So next time someone asks why pay rent or buy a big van when you can live anywhere with freedom, this little three-wheel camper gives the perfect answer. It's small, simple, and full of possibilities, redefining what home can be.